Hey peeps, how's it going? Hope all is well. Today, ladies and gentlemen, bit of something different again. Today, we are opening this box. Yeah, we're opening a box, ladies and gentlemen. We're becoming an unboxing channel. We're not becoming, but I do have a few new things coming, and I thought instead of me just opening them and using them, it might be fun to open them with you. So, that's what we're gonna do.
Ayo! 10k subs, yeah?
David's done it again,
You see the Brody hit 10k, next year that's 50,000 subs, I swear.
Also, we have a cool unboxing cam, I guess. Now, I'm not an unboxer. I've never really done this before, so it's not going to be as professional. I mean, I have my mic off to the side, so hopefully you can hear me throughout the whole thing. Of course, we have a lovely camera up here that I'm going to be using for my face. And then we have a lovely cam up here. Hello, up there. Camera. Obviously, I have two cameras now. I have a Sony a6000 and I still have my Canon, so we can get the top-down view. I may hit my mic a couple times just because it's very close to the box, so I apologize for that. We have a lovely camera up there, so you can see a top-down view of us opening stuff. Again, it's not like professional. I don't have lights on the product and stuff like that like I probably should, but hey-ho, we're going to be opening some stuff. Now, I kind of wish I'd done this for the Sony a6000. I want to start doing some like unboxing videos on the channel, and of course I recently got a new camera, which if you haven't told, if you haven't known, is this camera reason right here. The Canon up here is my old camera, but I'm going to start unboxing some new stuff. I've got a mic, a headset here. This is the Audio Technica Ath-M50X, I think they are. We'll have a look when we open them, but I think that's what they're called. Now, in previous videos, way back when, if you're an old viewer, I have these Corsair headphones, which were awesome, but as you can see, the left ear cup fell off. I haven't used them since because they're just really uncomfy without foam. You could probably get foam to put it on, but yeah, they sort of run their time. I do love Corsair products, and these were awesome. And then after those, I got the Sennheiser Momentum 3s, which are absolutely incredible. I love these headphones, and I still use these in some videos. They're really awesome. Recently, I also got, these are more for basketball, the Jabra something. Look at the autofocus there. They're more for basketball. I just need the wireless earphones and for running. But I did start using them in some videos and some streams as well. But yeah, I wanted new headphones, and I wanted wired headphones because an upcoming unboxing video will be the Go XLR, which I've ordered, along with a new microphone. Now I'm using a Blue Yeti right now. Again, we don't have to go into detail right now because in the microphone video, I will go over that. But we've ordered a new microphone and the Go XLR. So I wanted to get wired headphones because I thought they'd be better. Right then, should we actually have a look at this awesome box? Now, of course, it's the logo, the Audio Technica logo, and we're just gonna have handy dandy scissors somewhere. Here we go, and we're gonna get straight into it. I've never done an unboxing. Did I unbox my PS5 on? No, I think I was gonna do an unboxing video on my PS5, but then I didn't really know how to go about doing it. Again, I hit my mic. I do apologize. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Is this how you hold scissors against you? I don't think so. Should I just cut down the middle here? Is that what I'm supposed to? There we go. Get it right down there, mate. There we go. Get involved, baby. Again, this is on my desk with all my stuff, so if I end up breaking something, that's awkward. This camera looks cool, though. Right? It's cool. Oh, mate. You have all the... Oh, there's a lot of... Oh, it's flowing out. There's so... What is all this? Well, there's the actual box I want. Stuck in there something. Okay. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. The actual box. This box is now empty. We'll throw that away. Or can you pop this? Sorry. I'm evidently a little kid when it comes to popping things, but it sounded awesome. So here they are. I got the limited edition purple and black. I actually bought these on stream. Link in the description, twitch.tv/RegenScript26. We stream every single day over there. I actually bought these on stream with the Twitch chat, so along with my microphone and stuff like that too, which I thought was pretty funny. Yeah, here they are. Let's autofocus on there, baby. Oh, limited edition. Where are they? Purple and black Audio Technica Ath-M50X professional monitor headphones. They are absolutely looking juicy, ladies and gentlemen. We went with the black, with the purple over the black, just because I thought spice it up a little bit. I've had black headphones already, and I thought these may be nicer. They look absolutely gorgeous. Now, again, I don't have the Go XLR yet. It's coming in about 2 to 3 weeks because it was out of stock. So I'm hoping these will fit into, like, the wire will reach into my PC, so I will be able to use them. Right, should we get into the actual box here? And again, if you want professional unboxings, ladies and gentlemen, you've come to the wrong channel. I'm terrible at opening stuff. I don't make it look... Again, you can see that there's a camera up there. We have 2 cameras set up, okay? That's professional enough, I think. How do we... It's like Christmas. Okay. The thing is, I keep a lot of my boxes. I don't like... I'm really weird, and people make fun of me for it. I'm not a hoarder, but I like to keep... I like to keep a box, you know? You never know when you need a good box in life. So, and this box is quite nice. So, I don't know how to open... I'm struggling here, just a little bit. I think these pop out, right? These. Okay, well that's broke. That's half. Okay. There we go. Oh, I see them. They're in there. Is this the right way to put? I'm guessing this is the right way. We just pull it out, right? Box relatively intact. That side is a bit scuffed, but relatively intact. We'll keep it. Now this. Oh my god, they're all folded up and whatnot. That's a little plate with the Audio Technica sign and a bit of something. Oh, dude. Oh my god. Okay. So we'll go through the wires and stuff first. I'll put that off to the side. It comes with a lovely. Oh, a lovely. Look at that. Has the Audio Technica logo and name on it. It's like a nice, soft. Oh, hey, that's nice. I don't know why I done that. Smell test. The bag smells decent. It has some paper in there. You always get bloody paper and stuff, don't you? Premium leather, that. Another piece of paper. I'll keep that one handy dandy. This is nice. This is, forget the headphone. I got a little pouch, mate. I got a little pouch that you can zip up and like that. I like that. We got some headphone. I mean, there are headphones. They're headphones. Of course, we got headphone wires. They're headphones. I'm making a mess here. One of the wires. Ooh, that's a nice gangly wire. Okay, so is this the main headphone wire? This is the main headphone wire. So I'm guessing this goes into the headphone. That's a big. Gosh, and that goes into the PC. It's. Will that fit? I think it might fit, lads. I think it's a lengthy wire. It's a real length. I think it might fit. We'll plop that over there. See what else we got going. Does it come with just a bunch of different? Are these all the same wire, just different length? Is that what it is? Yeah, it's just... No, that's not the same wire, is it? No, that one's way bigger. What's this then? Maybe this is why you... Okay, can we get the scissors out of it? I feel like I'm going to cut someone by accident. It's come with 3 wires. And I don't really know... It's come with 3 wires, as you can see. Don't really... I'll move them up. I don't really know what they... I'll move... yeah, okay. Onto the actual headphones now. And... Let me tell you... I mean, I don't want them to fall out, but... Look at... It looks like an Iron Man mask. Why is it configured like that? Should we take them out? Let's take them out. I keep looking up to make sure... Oh, it has some foam stuck in... Is that... Oh, no, that's not supposed to be there. Oh, that looks like... It looks like a way you, like, make a mold of your face or something. Here they... Oh, they're all... Oh, gosh. Oh, no. They're all folded. I don't want to break them. I feel like I'm going to break... Oh, they click. They click and fold. They're all folded all wrong. I don't understand. That doesn't go... Okay, so they're both facing... That. Now I know why Mag said he wanted me to open them on stream. Oh! Oh! Did you see that? It like flips in on it. Look at that. Did you see that? Technology. It flips like in on it. Look at that. I don't want to keep doing it in case I break it. Okay. Boom. Is that them? I feel like I'm going to break them. Is that them done? That's them done. So they flip out like... Oh, they're very... Okay. Boom. There we go. Together. Headphones. Purple. Audio Technica Ath-M50X. Look at them in all of their glory. Ladies and gentlemen. They're some nice headphones. Comparing them with the Sennheiser, which is the only other headphones I have, the band on top is way thicker, as you can see, which is nice. It definitely feels more padded, the Audio Technica on top. And also the Sennheiser is empty on top. This actually has the logo, which I really like on top. For the design, they're both pretty nice. These ones have sort of like the metal coming over the Sennheiser logo on the side. These, of course, have the Audio Technica logo on the side as well, but they're more just compact with it. They both have the little dangly bit. I feel like these fold more. One thing I'm really really hoping for these. Let me feel, how do the cushions feel? Oh, the cushions are, they feel soft. They feel softer. These, the thing is with the Sennheiser, I love these headphones, don't get me wrong. But the cushions, they don't have, I don't know about the material of the cushion. These were expensive. These were like double the size, double the amount as well. They're very squishy, but the problem I have, at least myself, because I wear glasses on videos, and when I wear them, they seem to, I don't know if it's just my head or the glasses or what, but the left side, they seem to like push in the glasses on the left side. And I'm really hoping that the Audio Technica are softer on my poor ears when it comes to, because obviously I'm going to wear them for streaming a lot. So I'm not going to plug them in yet. I'm going to try them though. First test. Are you ready? First test, Audio Technica. Let's see. We're going to have to pull them down a bit. Let's adjust it level. One more maybe. Get them comfy. Get the comfy. Oh, it cuts off the sound. I'm probably shouting a bit. They stick to the ear. I think the cups are smaller. The cups are definitely smaller. It's a tighter fit as in round. Do I have big ears? I don't really know. But it's a tighter fit around the ears for sure. But there's a bit. Let's see. Let's try without the glasses. They're very comfy and they're very secure on my head. As in, like I said, they're very tight. They do feel quite juicy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. With glasses, when you first put them on, they are better than the center. As in, with glasses, they don't. I'm not feeling. It's that bit back there. It's the end. For some reason, it's only the left. I don't know why, but on the cushion, like you can push it. I don't feel it. It's. I could wear these with glasses for a substantial time. I feel like without having to. That's why I started wearing the Jabra earplugs, because it started hurting so much. Okay, should we figure out how to plug these bad boys in now? There's a big, massive hole here, which I'm guessing is for the big plug. We have 3 plugs though. We have 3 plugs. My hair's going all over the place. I do apologize. Or are these for different plugs, as in like that go? I don't know. Should I read the manual? Probably. Am I going to? Hell no. We don't do preferred. So I'm guessing that, does this go in here? That's too big, right? That's way too big. Oh, one went in. One went in, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, how long is this wire though? Because this wire isn't as long as the other one. So it's on the left here too, which is annoying because that's away from the thing. So that's the wire. That's definitely not reaching the front of my PC. That's not. I mean, my PC is all the way over here. No, that's not gonna reach. That's not gonna reach. It's annoying because, like I said, the Go XLR comes in about 2 to 3 weeks, which isn't great. Is that the, so what are these? I've just slammed it. What are these other wires for then? Maybe we will have to read the manual. Get a bit profession here. Should have done my research beforehand maybe. But that's not the Regent's Kid way, is it? So this wire, oh, it's in there. Oh, there we go. You just pull it out. Okay. Okay, so this wire fits. Let's bugger that off. That wire fits. What are these wires then? What's this? What? Jesus. Well, this wire's definitely longer. Oh my goodness, I'm getting tangled up. This goes in. Yeah, that fit. Okay. Okay. This one is Jesus. This one's okay. Let's see if this fits then, because I do want to do an audio test, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if this fits then, eh? This is a massive wire. It's in. It's in. It's in. What device did you plug in? I plugged in a headphone. Thank you very much. Is it on? Oh, I should probably change my audio device. Is it? Apparently it's playing. I don't hear anything though. Did I plug it in correctly? Is this? Oh, there's a little. Oh, getting closer. I love this. This is. Watch this. You ready? I just realized there's a bit of. Ignore my ugly nails, because I did used to bite them. There's an ugly. Can I take this off? It looks like there's bubbles. I don't like it. Yeah. Oh, there you go. You ready? You ready? You ready? Get close now. You ready? Oh, don't focus on my face. Well. Guys, we don't do. Is there another one of the others? Oh, there is. There's another one. Get it ready. There we go. You ready? Again, ignore my ugly nails. I do have nice rings at least. Oh, it's plugged in. I'm gonna try the small wire. I'm gonna stand over by my PC, try the small wire, see if this one works. See, it doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to like scooch over here. Headphone. Oh, this one works. This one works. Is it the wire then? Look at me shamefully picking up the manuals that I threw earlier because I'm an idiot now. God damn it. They're in Japanese. I can't read this. Did they do English? I don't. Oh, it's English on the back. Swivel housing, 3M cable. I think the big one. I think this one goes into a mixer. I think this will go into like the Go XLR or something. This massive one, right? Surely. Oh, you can take it off. Do I want to do that? Is that like an extender? Like, do you put this on with like? Because I've never used a Go XLR. Does that go in the Go XLR? Well, does this big one fit my PC then? Because this will fit. Wait. Well, that's into my PC. And I mean, this is a bungee cable, so it'll be extra. Let's plug this into the Audio Technica headphones, because this is this will bungee, mate. Oh, I hear it. I hear it. This fits. This is a long bungee cable. Okay. Can I open like iTunes to play? I can't play Spotify. Can I open like iTunes to play like Spotify? To play like free music? Why is my iTunes not opening? Davey's done it again. Ugh. Okay. Ugh. Oh, these sound. Oh. Oh. I can move with them too, mate. They're bungee. Look at me. Oh, these sound good. I'm out of breath. Yo! Okay. Audio Technica M50X. Aye. Okay, no more dancing. I got all tangled up with my... How did it get in between my necklace? That was... How does that happen when one dances? I don't... Right, let me unhook it. Can I just slide... Oh, guys. This way you don't be... Okay, there you go. I think this is the extender. I think this goes in like the Go XLR maybe, if it wants to focus. I think... Oh, the autofocus is amazing. I think... Look at that ring, by the way. Awesome ring. I think that goes in the Go XLR. I'm not sure. Audio Technica ATH-MX50. You'll be seeing me wearing these in future videos and streams. Link in the description. These are awesome. They sound awesome. They don't hurt with my glasses. They look awesome. I love the purple feel to them. This was fun. I think we'll do more of these. I have a microphone coming soon, so we can unbox that and test it out together. I'll show you us setting it up also. Have the Go XLR. I'll show you me unboxing that, setting up. If you want to see more unboxing videos, let me know. I think that's all we have to do with it. I mean, I unboxed that. I made a... If I take the Canon, I made a little bit of a mess. There's the steering wheel that I should have unboxed that as well. So much stuff I could have unboxed. Oh mate, it's like a vlog in a vlog. Look, it's me. Oh my gosh. The old camera and the new camera coming together. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was awesome. Like I say, I'm excited to use these. I'm really excited to use these. I'll be debuting them in tonight's stream. So, well, not by the time you're watching this, I stream every night anyway, around 5-6 p.m. GMT. So, if you want extra content, feel free to go follow us on Twitch. Link in the description, amongst all my other social medias. More unboxing videos coming soon. Let me know what else you want us to unbox. I may do some more like tutorial-esque videos too, of like how to set up the camera as your live stream camera. So I might do like some microphone tips and stuff like that. Just trying to change up the channel a little bit, other than just gaming, get some extra content there. I enjoyed it, I had fun. Hopefully you did too. Leave a like on the video if you learned something new today. I didn't, so well, I guess we all learned I'm a bad dancer, so there we go. Much love as always, and peace.
I can't believe this kid, man. Stand up for an EJ kid. Slaps here, man, get murked. 2 paintings in a whip, I'ma read this kid in the back like Donny Demur. Sat in the back like Donny Demur. I think the blonde thing's feeling Harry. He in the middle, he putting in work. Coming like something like Coffee Kawasi. If he up top, then he's scoring a hattie. Same way he does when a man plays clubs. This year the Brody hit 10K. Next year, that's 50,000 subs, I swear.